Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. This is Umarid Mahapatra is going to explain how to use the verbs correctly in past tense. You know past tense has four forms: simple past, past progressive, past perfect and past perfect progressive. This is the representation of simple past and past progressive sentences. The verbs are used incorrectly. We have to use the verb, you have to use those verbs correctly. In order to use the verbs correctly, you need to understand the role. In this video, I will explain all these things. So let's get started. He gone to Jaipur. Here gone. Gone is one past participle form of a verb. You know, in simple past, we use past form of a verb. Past form of gone is went. Go, went, gone. So the correct verb is went. He went to Jaipur. She did not went to Jaipur. This is one negative sentence. Simple past negative sentence. Negative sentence, in negative sentence we use the past auxiliary did. Simple past auxiliary did. Remember, did always followed by base form of verb. Okay, so instead of went, we should use go. She did not go to Jaipur. Did he came yesterday? This is one interrogative sentence. Simple past interrogative. Here we use did. The same thing, did followed by base form of a verb. So instead of came, we should use come. Come, came, come. Okay, base form of a verb come. Did he come yesterday? They did not open the door. Here is also did is the past auxiliary. Did followed by base form of a verb. This is opened. Okay, wrong. Base form of verb is open. They did not open the door. Did he not reminded me? This is one negative interrogative sentence. In negative interrogative sentence, did is there. Simple past negative interrogative. Did always followed by base form of a verb. So reminded is not base form of a verb. Its base form of a verb remind. Did he not remind me? Did not you catch the bus? This is one interrogative sentence. Okay, negative interrogative because not is used there. But what is the wrong here? Did followed by base form of a verb. This is one base form of a verb. So where is the wrong? Not. Did not. We cannot use the full form did not before subject. Okay, in interrogative sentence. We can use the verb after subject. Did you not catch the bus? If we want to use before subject, that must be in the contracted form. Didn't. Okay. Didn't you catch the bus? This is what contracted form. Okay. So this portion is of past progressive or past continuous. I were not doing that. You know, in past progressive, that is be verb plus ing form of a verb. Past be verb was or were. So were doing. Verb is correct. But where is the wrong? The subject is I. I always agrees with was, not were. So I was not doing that. Was you not playing? Okay. Was you not playing? This is one negative interrogative. Was you playing or was you not playing? Negative interrogative. Understand? So what will be? You is there. You agrees with where, not was. So where? Were you not playing? Were not you writing? Here, were not. This is one negative interrogative sentence, but its order is wrong. Otherwise, it is in the full form. We can write it in the contracted form because before you not is used here. If before subject not comes, that must be in the contracted form. Otherwise, you can say where you not writing. As it is written before, so it must be contracted form. Weren't. Weren't you writing? Was not he watching a movie? This is what the same thing. Was not. This is one negative interrogative sentence. Was not. In the full form we can't write, can't say. So it will be one the contracted form. Wasn't. Were he not cooking? Were she not cooking? She agrees with he. Was not where. Was. Were they playing not football? This is one negative interrogative sentence. So where is the rum? You see here, not written after main verb. Not always comes before main verb. Okay, in interrogative sentence, after subject before main verb. Okay, so were they not? Here not will be used. So this not will be used before main verb. If you want to write it in the contracted form, so what will be? Weren't they playing football? Or were they not playing football? In both way you can do, but not cannot be used after main verb. Okay. Now the representation is of past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. The verbs are used incorrectly. We need to use this correctly. Okay, so let's start. I had knew her for 5 years. This is past perfect. Past perfect structure is subject plus had plus past participle form of a verb. But here it is given past form of a verb. Know, knew, known. So the correct verb will be known. Okay. I had known her for 5 years. She had not played. This is one negative sentence. Had agrees with the construction of past perfect. Had plus verb 3. Okay. So played. Play, played, played. Past participle form of verb. That is verb 3. Had he warned you before? This is one interrogative sentence. Past perfect interrogative. In past perfect interrogative, had plus subject, this verb, past perfect, past participle. So warn will be warned. Okay. The train had departed before I reached. Two sentences are connected using before. The train had departed, past perfect. So I reached. This will be reached. Both should be in the past form. So reached. First action completed before another action happened. So this action happened later. This will be in the past form. Simple past. Rita told Geeta that she has seen her photos. This is one narration change. Okay, reported speech. Rita told Geeta. The speaker speaks in the past form. Okay, so this will be in the past form. Sita has seen photos. Has seen her photos. Instead of has, that will be had. Rita told Geeta that she had seen her photos. Then past perfect continuous tense. Suresh had been writing a book since 2 months. Had been writing. This is the construction. Structure. Subject had been plus ing form of a verb. And the time reference we use for past perfect continuous since, for, before, etc. So this is used for time reference. And since is used for a point of time. But 2 months is a period of time. For period of time we use for. Okay. So Suresh had been writing a book. Instead of since, use for. For 2 months, because 2 months is a period of time. It had been raining for last evening. This is how for. For is used for a period of time. Last evening is a point of time. For point of time, instead of for, we should use since. Okay? It had been raining since last evening. Had not he waiting for you for 2 hours? See here, had not. Used before subject. Subject is he. Before subject, this is one negative interrogative sentence. Okay? Negative interrogative. In negative interrogative, we cannot use not before he. If we use, that must be in the contracted form. So it will be hadn't. Hadn't. Hadn't he waiting for you for 2 hours? Or had he not waiting for you for 2 hours? In both way you can do. Had she been cooked before my entry? Had been, verb ing, not cooked, cooking. Had she been cooking before my entry? Chinno had been not waiting for you. This is one negative sentence. Negative, okay? Past perfect continuous, negative sentence. So in negative sentence, remember, not should come just after first auxiliary. There are two auxiliaries, had and been. After first auxiliary, not will be used. So Chinno had not been waiting for you. Okay, this is how we should use our verbs correctly in past tense. In simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. I hope you understood the concept. Okay, keep practicing. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Okay, thank you.